Have you ever wondered about the power of the crown chakra? The crown chakra, or Sahasrara as it is known in Sanskrit, is a fascinating energy center located at the very top of your head. This chakra is unique in its association with spirituality and our connection to the divine. Think of it as a divine portal, if you will, a spiritual gateway that links us to the universe and all of its unfolding mysteries. When we talk about the expansion of consciousness, we are talking about the realm of the crown chakra. It is through Sahasrara that we explore the transcendental, the sacred, and the spiritual aspects of our lives. When the crown chakra is in balance, it's like having a direct line to a universal switchboard. You experience a profound sense of peace, mental clarity, and a sense of unity with everything around you. It's a feeling of being part of something much larger than yourself, a sense of interconnectedness with all life forms. But the crown chakra is not just about universal connection. It also influences our ability to be fully present in the world and to live our lives with purpose and meaning. It's about finding that sweet spot between earthly existence and spiritual enlightenment. So what happens when the crown chakra is out of balance? Well, it can lead to feelings of spiritual disconnection, cynicism, and a closed mind. On a physical level, it may manifest as chronic fatigue, migraines, and neurological disorders. But fear not, because the beautiful thing about chakras is that they can be balanced and healed. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to dive into a yoga practice designed to awaken and balance this spiritual energy, to open up your crown chakra and to help you tap into the divine wisdom that is your birthright. Now that we've got a sense of the crown chakra's importance, let's dive into a yoga practice designed to awaken and balance this spiritual energy. We begin our practice with the Sun Salutation Vinyasa sequence. This series of postures serves as a warm-up to get our bodies flowing and our minds focused. It's a wonderful way to greet the day, but it also holds a deeper spiritual significance. The Sun Salutation sequence, or Surya Namaskar in Sanskrit, has been a part of yoga practice for centuries. It's a rhythmic series of 12 postures, each flowing into the next, synchronized with the breath. This sequence symbolizes the cycle of the day, the sun's journey from dawn to dusk, and the cycle of life itself. As we move through the sun salutation, we're not just warming up our muscles and joints, we're also cultivating a sense of mindfulness and connection. Each posture in the sequence invites us to be present in the moment, to breathe deeply, and to move with intention. And as we focus on the crown chakra, the sun salutation takes on an even deeper significance. Each movement, each breath becomes a meditation in motion, a way to cultivate spiritual energy and connection. Now let's begin. Starting in mountain pose, we reach our hands up to the sky, stretching towards the divine. As we fold forward, we humble ourselves, bowing to the earth. We step or jump back into plank pose, showing our strength and resilience. Lowering down, we honor our vulnerability and openness. Rising into cobra or upward-facing dog, we celebrate our growth and transformation. And finally, we return to downward-facing dog, a posture of rest and reflection. By repeating this sequence, we're not just warming up our bodies. We're also awakening our spiritual energy, allowing it to flow freely from the base of our spine to the crown of our head. Great work! Now that our bodies are warmed up, let's move on to some gentle stretches. This sun salutation sequence is a powerful way to begin any yoga practice, but it's especially potent when we're focusing on the crown chakra. By moving mindfully and with intention, we can cultivate a deep sense of spiritual connection and inner peace. Now let's release any tension in our upper bodies with some gentle stretches. These stretches are designed to help you let go of any physical strain, creating a calm and relaxed state that is conducive to spiritual exploration. As you move through these stretches, pay close attention to your neck, shoulders, and the area around your head, where energy flows freely towards the crown chakra. First, let's start with some gentle neck rolls. Slowly roll your head in a circular motion, first clockwise, then counterclockwise. Let the weight of your head guide the movement and keep your breath steady and controlled. Feel the tension melting away from your neck with each roll. Next, let's move to shoulder rolls. Gently roll your shoulders forward and then backward, synchronizing the movement with your breath. Feel the release of tension in your shoulder and neck muscles as you continue to roll. Now it's time to deepen our practice with the lotus pose, known as Padmasana in Sanskrit. This pose is highly revered in yoga for its ability to calm the mind and aid in meditation. It's a beautiful representation of spiritual awakening, akin to the blossoming of a lotus flower, and is directly connected to our crown chakra. In lotus pose, we cross our legs and place each foot on the opposite thigh, with the soles facing upwards. Our hands can rest on our knees, and our spine should be straight. However, it's important to remember that everybody is unique, and not all of us may be able to comfortably sit in lotus pose. If that's the case for you, simply adopt a comfortable seated position that allows you to maintain a straight spine. The most important thing is to feel relaxed and at ease. With our bodies relaxed, we're ready to focus more deeply on our crown chakra. As we continue our practice, keep a sense of openness and readiness to connect with the divine and let the energy flow freely through your body. Close your eyes and direct your attention to the point at the top of your head, the location of your crown chakra. Allow everything else to fade into the background as you focus solely on this point of energy and connection. Visualize a luminous sphere of pure white light nestled at the crown of your head. This is your crown chakra, the gateway to the divine and the universe. It is your spiritual antenna, connecting you to the higher realms of consciousness and the infinite expanses of existence. Now imagine this sphere of light slowly starting to spin, its white radiance becoming brighter with every rotation. As it spins, it begins to draw in energy like a cosmic whirlpool from the universe around you. This energy is pure, serene, and filled with a profound sense of peace and unity. As this energy flows into your crown chakra, it filters down through your body, filling every cell, every fiber of your being with this divine light. Feel this energy dissolve any barriers, any feelings of separateness. You are part of the universe, and the universe is part of you. Now imagine this energy, this light, expanding beyond your physical form, enveloping you in a cocoon of divine energy. You are now a beacon of light, a part of the cosmic tapestry, interconnected with all that exists. Let yourself bathe in this light, this energy for a few moments. Feel the peace, the serenity, and the connection it brings. You are not alone. You are part of something much larger, much grander than you can ever imagine. As we near the end of our meditation, remember this feeling of connection, of unity. This is your natural state, your birthright. It is always there, waiting for you to tap into it. Hold on to this sense of spiritual connection as we move into our final relaxation. Let this energy continue to soothe, heal, and connect you as we conclude our practice. Remember, you are a divine being connected to the universe and all that it encompasses. To conclude our practice, let's ease into child pose and fully relax. This pose, also known as balasana, is a restful posture that centers, calms, and soothes the brain, making it a therapeutic posture for relieving stress. As you ease into this pose, let your forehead rest gently on the mat, your arms extend forward, and your hips sit back onto your heels. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath, rise and fall of your chest, the quiet balm of stillness that coats your body and mind. As you rest here, feel the spiritual energy you've awakened during this class. It's a radiant, pulsating energy, a beacon of light located at the top of your head, connecting you to the divine cosmos. This energy is your crown chakra, your spiritual gateway. It's the energy center that connects you to the universe, to the divine, to a sense of unity and peace. As we wrap up this practice, let this energy permeate your being. Feel it flow through you, aligning you, balancing you, and filling you with peace and tranquility. Now, when you're ready, gently lift your body from child's pose and return to a seated position. Place your hands over your heart, feeling the warmth of your body, the rhythm of your heartbeat, the peace that comes from dedicating time to your spiritual well-being and connection to the divine. Take a moment to thank yourself for this practice, for the commitment you've shown to your spiritual journey. You've done something remarkable today. You've awakened your crown chakra, you've connected with the divine cosmos, and you've taken another step on your spiritual journey. Thank you for joining this yoga class for the crown chakra. Remember, the journey to spiritual awakening is a continuous one. Keep practicing, keep exploring, keep connecting with your higher self. And don't forget to carry this peace and tranquility into the rest of your day. Namaste.